What's up guys, TechSpot here, and there is a jailbreak coming for iOS 15.4.1. And yes, it will work for iOS 15.4.1 and under. So first off, the jailbreak is not going to be called Taurine 15. It is actually going to be called Chiote or Chiote, however you pronounce it. But yeah, that is the iOS 15 official jailbreak name, as it is finally close to release. Now the jailbreak is going to install the jailbreak app called Zebra as opposed to Cydia, and they did post screenshots of what this is going to look like, so you guys can see all your packages and stuff like that right there. At the bottom, you guys can see all the tabs. So you have home, browse, installed, and a me tab. Anyways, it's the home page. You guys can see just shows like an app store. You guys can see which apps are hot right now, what apps we're using, and recently updated tweaks. Scrolling down, you guys can see all the tweaks that you have installed. So this is what it'll look like. And if you have an update available, you guys can see it just goes over there and you just tap on it, and you can also update all tweaks with just one button, looks like. Scrolling down, this is what it looks like when you install a tweak. So very clean interface, still looks very reminiscent of Cydia with how it shows everything. You can also go ahead and hide the details so you can see the install screen. Just going down again, you got some tweaks in the queue, how it works when you have multiple tweaks that you want to install at one time. It kind of puts it in this queue, which is much more neat and organized. You guys can see the developer of the tweak as the payment services, and over here it also says community services. It has theming, filtering, and import sources, and credits to all the devs of this. When you actually go to search for a tweak and just go to install the tweak, I can see again very App Store-esque, where it has that banner at the top. You got the icon of the tweak, some screenshots right there, which is super nice. Tap on Git, so it's just like the App Store to get the tweaks, and different repositories. So this will look like, again, very organized. You can see development themes, and all the different tweaks and themes will be organized into different sections, so it's very easy to go ahead and find what you need. Oh, okay, and there is the search. So we do have a search. It shows your previous searches as well as your wish list, so I guess those are ones that you kind of save in here. This is running on iPad. Yes, even Apple couldn't make like a separate calculator app for the iPad. Finally, they have a weather app for the iPad. But anyways, Zebra actually does have a very cool interface. This is what else is gonna look like on an iPad. So you got different sections, and looks very nice. This is what it looks like when you're installing an app on iPad. And yeah, so again, this jailbreak will support iPad as well as not only just iPhone. So if you're on iOS 15 through 15.1.1, then you will see a jailbreak very soon, as they basically have completed. They even made Zebra, so I guess they were waiting on that. And for the rest of you people on iOS 15.4.1 and below, yes, a jailbreak will be coming afterwards for that. It'll be a little bit time. I'm not sure how long. You can't really say with jailbreaks anymore, but Apple has added even more security in those newest software updates. And yeah, that did include even those incremental small updates. But yeah, I know you guys love the iOS videos, so I have another iOS hack coming out tomorrow. It's a hack for the Instagram app, and it can actually do a lot. Crazy. This is the TechSpot. Later.